Hey space aficionados! Buckle up because we're about to dive into the exciting world of futuristic engines. And trust us, they're more sci-fi than your favorite space opera. Helical Engine, dubbed as NASA's very own lightspeed engine concept, this one is straight out of a space enthusiast's wildest dreams. The helical engine proposes using electromagnetic fields and resonators to produce thrust, all without a drop of propellant. Imagine cruising the cosmos without needing cosmic gas stations. But, here's the twist, it's surrounded by a nebula of skepticism. Many experts raise their eyebrows, wondering if it's too good to be true. So, is it the future of space travel or just another space fantasy? The jury's still out. Warp drive, no, we're not making a Star Trek reference, well, maybe a little. Picture bending space-time to move the ship, not the other way round. Space gets compressed behind and stretched ahead, letting the ship surf the waves. Intriguing, but very much still in the theoretical parking bay. Photonic propulsion, lasers, but not for your club night. This is about thrusting a spaceship by shooting lasers. While we might reach impressive speeds, there's the little matter of packing enough punch without making the ship impossibly heavy. Antimatter engines, where matter meets its explosive twin. A rendezvous of matter and antimatter means one big kaboom. Collision tapping into that could mean some seriously high speeds. But storing antimatter safely? Let's just say it's a bit of a ticking time bomb. In our galactic nutshell, while we're dreaming big and looking at the stars, there are still heaps of space puzzles to solve. Whether for real or just in our imaginations, one thing's sure, space travel is bound to keep us on our toes. Keep looking up and dreaming big, star chasers.